We're going to talk about AI market research, where AI is going to be able to help you find great information very fast with some specific prompt that I made for you. My name is Louis. I'm the founder of I-avantage, which is your best agency for boosting your career or help your company use AI in a very effective manner. So more than just speaking, here you go. This is my screen. I made you an article which is free, where you're going to have all the prompt that you can have right here in a dynamic manner, remember, where you can just change a little element here and this prompt become right away for you. The idea is that I wanted to make it as easy as possible to use without just making copy paste, and instead of just showing you a general result, I really wanted to find something that would speak to you and have the result for yourself. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna make a little manipulation where I'm just gonna make Control A, copy everything. I'm gonna go in ChatGPT and I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to recreate all the prompts for effective companies, so you can see how it goes. So what I did is that I give some instruction. I said, here's my company, here's what I do. Could you modify the 5 prompts? And look at what AI did. It made the prompt for me. So it's going to be extremely easy to use. You're going to see. What I want you to do is to find the prompt that is the most speaking to you, like high-level overview and general market trend, for example. We're going to start with the first one. I'm going to grab the prompt. You can see that the prompt, thanks to ChatGPT, is adapted to my industry. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to use a tool which is called Perplexity. Perplexity is great because it's like a ChatGPT, but with great capacity to be very precise in terms of research and very concise too. So it's exactly what I need right now. I'm going to grab the prompt that ChatGPT modified, or the prompt that you got from the article. Grab it, give it to Perplexity, and you're going to see from a little prompt like this, which is not, it's not a simple prompt. No, like we train like hundreds of companies and we know how to make something small but extremely effective. You're gonna see that in a few lines, you're gonna have great result and information that's gonna be extremely important for you to place yourself on the market. So I'm learning at the same time because it's actually my situation. I took advantage of this, but I invite you to check a bit of what it's talking about. To give you an idea, I have the current size and growth of the rate of the market, major players, market drivers, I guess, barriers to entry, regional leadership. I have all the information that would help myself to place my company on the market. So that's the first prompt. As you can see, with one little prompt like this, you can have great result right away. But let's imagine you can build on the success of the first prompt and give the next one and have some next result. Look at this. I'll grab the second prompt, give it to Perplexity, and as you can see, it's going to be the detailing and segmentation of the audience and behavior of the audience of the market. As you can see, I'm going to have again right away some results based on my company and the sector that I want to conquer. It works pretty well when you think about it. Just from a little video and an article that you find online, having those type of results right away is actually very neat, I would say, very neat. So there you go. I have the different market segmentation and behavior, how they buy, what is their need, what's their problem, the different key points and psychography that they're going to have. I'm already very set with this, but again, the idea of those prompts is not just to give you some prompt and hope that you're going to find something interesting. It's to build on each other. The idea is that the AI not just going to have some information in terms of you give the prompt, it has just those information to nourish itself from. Is going to use all the information and all the exchange that you're going to have throughout the chat. So right there, we have the second prompt. I'm going to keep going with the next one. It's going to keep building and building a case for us. So look at this. I go down, give him the third prompt, and I'm going to have some, again, other results. So this one is going to be an in-depth competitive analysis. We build it really with a lot of intention per se. As you can see, there is a lot of elements. I really wanted it to be a table, so I really made sure that it was clear and understandable for AI to give us something like this. And every time I use it, because it's not the first time that I use this prompt, I have a beautiful table which gives me all the information that I need on a different major player in this market. The next part gonna be identify untapped opportunity, because what would be a market analysis if we didn't have the opportunity in which we could place a company? As you can see, same job I did once. I arrived on the article, remember, I told AI, ChatGPT, to adapt the prompt for myself, or you can do it yourself, it's not too complicated. And then I started giving them one by one to another AI, which is Perplexity. As you can see, the results are pretty proven again. Very easy to do AI market research, specifically when you have all those prompts to just do and use, and specifically because they've been trained and placed. They've been like created with a lot of intention to have like something very fluid one after the other. And the last one gonna be the prediction, analysis, and strategy recommendation. In a sense of, if you want to make a proper market analysis, you really need to know how it projects itself. Like, what is it, what was it, and how it's gonna be able to project itself. As you can see again, this prompt doesn't disappoint. You just give it to Perplexity and you're gonna have some great results. So there you go. Just to tell you an idea, like, it was really easy to use. I wanted to have something kind of copy-paste, but at the same time adapted to your situation. So I hope it's going to create a lot of value for yourself. Remember, we are I-avantage. We are like the best agency for everything about like improving the integration of AI inside your company or boosting your career. So I hope this will really help you. If you need any help, don't hesitate to go on our website right there. As you can see, I'm French, but I'm starting to get better. You can find like the form, you can find us on LinkedIn too. We will be very happy to help you. It was Loic from I-avantage. I wish you the best and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.